You know, Fern, sometimes people think, okay, I'm gonna take this tea towel and I'm gonna put it in my hoop and I'm gonna embroider on it.
If you just open it up and put it down there,
Yeah,
it'll be in the perfect place.
Right. And I printed it out so that I could see. And then I could take my pumpkin here and I could kind of go, okay, do I want it on the corner here? Do I want it in the middle? So I always use a sticky back stabilizer.
Yes.
And a wash away. We've scored it. And now we're gonna take the paper off of it. It's sticky right here.
Sure is.
And if I wanted it on the corner, like this, if you've noticed, when I printed this out, it also has the crosshairs on it. Okay, so I can also center that in my hoop. Then I'm gonna take all of this other stuff and I'm gonna roll it up and I'm going to clip it. Look at that one, that's gonna be perfect.